It's time again to head back to work.
We throw arms around each other and swing.
That's right, another cruise ship. It's gonna be a short cruise, leaving Melbourne, Australia, and getting to work, entertaining the great crowds, jamming with the band, and trying to get some sleep. And then there's the turnaround day. So today is a turnaround day, and I'm terrible at this, so hold on.
Oh, hey!
This is Jasper, a resident soloist on board, and he's gonna show what the crew does on a turnaround day. Also, this video's soundtrack is all his original music. Link is in the description.
How you doing? It's turnaround day. We're gonna go out. First things first, we're gonna eat on the ship because it takes a while to get into the city, which means you end up getting quite hangry. You know this term, hangry?
Breakfast is usually a meal that I don't eat because I'm sleeping.
Yeah, it takes about 10 minutes to get into Melbourne. Super excited about getting me a real coffee. None of this ship coffee, real coffee. Hey guys, we're on an escalator. I couldn't think of anything to say.
So we got off the ship and headed towards the city. Fans, you can't go anywhere. I had a disguise with the hat and the glasses.
I think you wear that disguise all the time, and that's the problem.
We get on the tram and went to the city center. This is where Jasper goes to his first place. He wants to get some coffee, and he says that he wants to go to Starbucks.
I'm gonna go to Starbucks. I know that we're in Melbourne.
If you think that that's ridiculous, let me know in the comments. And let Jasper know. His channel is linked up there.
Just stealing all the internet I can right now because the ship's internet isn't as amazing because everyone's using it. You've got like over 2,000 people using the same internet, so I'm just connecting back with them. I'm drinking my coffee. You never get any signal as well, and I have a plan, luckily, from here to the UK, so I can phone my girlfriend, which I'm gonna do now. Oh, I know, baby, I love you, I miss you too. Hey, man.
I am ready for
Really, using the internet, watching all the new YouTube videos, downloading updates, catching up with friends and family can take a couple of hours. And then you wander around and see some of the city, do a little shopping, feel like you're living life in the real world.
Across the road, they have beers in their bones, where people shout and the wild dog roam. You can get all your kicks from this rowdy pub list, with the sound of the street below.
I got some beautiful, I don't know what these are actually.
Tacos.
Tacos, yeah, I got some tacos.
Sometimes it's better to stay on the ship and eat the food because you save a lot of money. But then you like to feel like a real person, right? Like,
if you eat the ship food all the time, you don't feel like anything's changing. And I want to experience Mexico right now.
yeah, good transition.
Okay, so we're back on the ship. We're going to help out with passenger drill. That stuff's really boring, so I'm going to see you guys on the top deck in a sec.
Go, run.
Like we said we would.
Someone like me is on board for about 5 or 6 months, which means every time that we're at what's known as our home port, we have a thing called turnaround day, which is we drop off some passengers and we pick up some new ones and we take them on a brand new cruise.
All on the same day.
On the same day. For musicians, it kind of leaves a space for us to go out. We can adventure or restock our room from toilet paper.
You have to get toilet paper?
Well, no, we don't.
Some places are basically accessible by just walking. Some you need shuttles, some have free shuttles. It really depends on the home port.
Preparation is such an important thing when you come to your home port, because it happens so fast, you get up so early, and then the hustle of getting off, it's quite a process. And in that hustle, you might forget why you got off the ship in the first place. So I make big old lists of things I need to do or get or achieve in the city. Sometimes it might be as simple as sightsee, because I'm a tourist at the end of the day. This is traveling. And if our home port is somewhere I've never been before, I want to see the sights. I want to go and check out these beautiful places. So
that's it for us, and we'll see you next turnaround port, because I can upload this video. Have your phone and pretend like you're flying a drone. Watch. Let's see if that, like, here, like, just look at it like it's a drone. Hold on.
I didn't even see it come through, you just run.
Thanks for watching, and if you like this stuff, hit that subscribe button. If you want to see more into my life, check out my live stream channel. For sure, check out Jasper's channel, and links to his music will be in the description. Also, if you're interested in working on ships, check out this video.